I was thinking about favorite brands today.
I often think about them because brands show style.
What clothing brand catches your attention the most?
I feel drawn to Nike because of its sporty energy.
What part of Nike's style feels appealing to you?
The simple logo and comfortable designs make it strong.
I also like Adidas for its classic clean look.
Adidas gives a sense of tradition and steady quality.
Which brand do you choose for casual shoes?
I usually go for Converse because they feel timeless.
Converse shoes create a relaxed street vibe.
They feel easy to match with almost any outfit.
What about sports shoes for running?
I prefer Puma for lightweight comfort and airflow.
Puma designs feel modern and athletic.
Their colors and shapes feel energetic and flexible.
Which brand of bag seems reliable to you?
I trust Herschel because of strong build and clean shape.
Herschel bags feel minimal yet sturdy.
They fit both travel days and school days.
What brand of watches expresses personality for you?
I usually think of Casio for practical everyday use.
Casio watches bring a sense of durability.
They last long and feel easy to wear anywhere.
Which brand of headphones stands out for quality?
I think Bose brings warm sound and gentle comfort.
Bose headphones create deep sound layers.
They feel soft on the ears even during long listening.
What do you think about Apple as a tech brand?
Apple represents clean design and smooth performance.
Apple products feel consistent across devices.
The ecosystem keeps everything connected and simple.
Which laptop brand supports heavy work well?
Lenovo feels practical and strong for long use.
Lenovo keyboards feel comfortable for typing.
They allow steady work sessions without feeling tired.
What about food brands that you enjoy?
I like Nutella because of its creamy flavor.
Nutella adds sweetness to breakfast quickly.
It feels comforting and familiar.
Which coffee brand gives you steady energy?
I think Starbucks offers familiar taste everywhere.
Starbucks branding creates a lifestyle image.
The atmosphere supports work, study, and conversation.
What brand of bottled water gives trust?
I feel Evian gives a clean and fresh impression.
Evian branding suggests purity and calm.
The packaging feels simple and soft.
Which perfume brand speaks to your identity?
I like Chanel for elegant and gentle fragrance.
Chanel scents feel timeless and graceful.
They leave a subtle memory in the air.
What about makeup brands for daily looks?
I think Maybelline balances affordability and style.
Maybelline products feel easy to apply.
They create natural looks without heavy texture.
Which skincare brand feels trustworthy for you?
I rely on The Ordinary for clear ingredient focus.
The Ordinary packaging reflects transparency.
It gives a sense of scientific simplicity.
Which brand of jacket stands out in winter?
I choose the North Face for warmth and performance.
The North Face communicates outdoor strength.
It supports both city life and nature travel.
Which sneaker brand feels trendy this year?
I think New Balance shows strong fashion presence recently.
New Balance sneakers balance comfort and style.
They fit casual looks and sporty looks together.
Which brand expresses luxury lifestyle best to you?
I think Gucci displays bold and creative identity.
Gucci designs feel artistic and expressive.
They reflect personality and confidence.
Which brand of laptops looks sleek for design work?
I think Microsoft Surface feels modern and slim.
Surface devices show clean edges and flexible use.
They support drawing and writing smoothly.
Which phone brand aligns with your habits?
I use Samsung because of screen quality.
Samsung displays feel bright and sharp.
They make watching videos enjoyable.
Which brand do you choose for basic everyday shirts?
I like Uniqlo because of simple cuts and soft fabric.
Uniqlo offers calm colors and minimal style.
The pieces feel easy to combine with others.
Which brand of cologne feels refreshing to you?
I think Dior has fragrances that feel fresh yet deep.
Dior branding appears elegant and refined.
It suggests confidence without being loud.
Which pen brand feels reliable for writing?
I choose Pilot because the ink flows smoothly.
Pilot pens feel steady and controlled.
They make handwriting look cleaner.
Which shoe brand feels good for formal events?
I pick Clark's because of comfort with classic shape.
Clark's shoes carry a professional tone.
They work well for long days without discomfort.
Which brand of sportswear helps during training?
I think Under Armour gives strong support and breathability.
Under Armour clothing feels strong and flexible.
It supports movement without restriction.
Which luxury bag brand feels iconic?
I think Louis Vuitton stands as a status symbol.
Louis Vuitton monogram signals heritage.
The brand connects fashion history to modern style.
Which sneaker brand connects music culture and fashion?
I believe Vans reflects skate and music lifestyle.
Vans shoes feel casual and artistic.
They carry street culture energy.
Which brand produces comfortable hoodies for daily wear?
I like Champion for soft fabric and steady fit.
Champion hoodies carry relaxed and sporty charm.
They feel reliable across many seasons.
Which sunglasses brand expresses bold personality?
Ray-Ban conveys classic confidence and cool tone.
Ray-Ban lenses shape a timeless style.
They remind people of film and culture icons.
Which chocolate brand makes you feel comfort?
I enjoy Lindt because of smooth sweetness.
Lindt chocolate melts gently and leaves fullness.
It feels like a small luxury moment.
Which cereal brand starts your mornings well?
I like Kellogg's for consistent taste.
Kellogg's cereal brings familiar flavor memories.
It makes mornings feel simple and steady.
Which sneaker brand fits running long distances?
I trust Asics because of strong cushioning.
Asics designs focus on performance support.
They protect the feet during long training.
Which denim brand gives the best fit?
I prefer Levi's because of their shape and history.
Levi's jeans feel iconic and dependable.
They match many styles over time.
Which brand of jackets feels stylish in fall?
I like Zara for trendy seasonal designs.
Zara changes collections often to match trends.
It keeps wardrobe updated easily.
Which sports drink brand energizes workouts?
I think Gatorade helps maintain hydration.
Gatorade branding focuses on athletic performance.
It supports exercise and recovery.
Which pasta brand brings good texture?
I choose Barilla for firm and balanced noodles.
Barilla pasta holds sauce well.
It makes meals taste satisfying.